Hey there, teenager. Ever heard of Feng Shui? It's this ancient Chinese thing that's all about making your space super awesome for positive vibes. Imagine if your room was like a magnet for good energy and motivation. Here's how you can make it happen. Clean and positively yours. Think of your room as your own sanctuary. Keep it tidy and clutter-free, just like you'd keep your thoughts organized. Surround yourself with positivity. Hang up posters that scream, "You can do it!" and quotes that fuel your determination. Fill your space with stuff that makes you feel unstoppable. Balance colors, balance life. Colors are like your room's personality. Soft blues and greens are like a relaxing spa day, while reds and oranges give you a burst of energy. Mix and match colors to create a balanced vibe. Think of it as your personal motivation palette. Balance is the key to a harmonious and motivating atmosphere. Power up your space. Your room can be your motivational playground. Put up a vision board with your goals and dreams. Remind yourself every day that you've got the power to achieve them. Add plants or a vision wall. It's like a constant reminder that growth and positivity are always around. Let in the light. Natural light is your mood booster. Open those curtains wide and let positivity flow in. Keep your windows clean. Just like you clear your mind, clear your view for a fresh perspective. So, teenager, give your space a Feng Shui makeover. Create an environment that says, "You can conquer the world!" Keep it clean, fill it with motivation, and splash some colors. Remember, your space reflects your energy. Make it a magnet for awesome vibes.